Today we have the unique pleasure of being able to celebrate our Lunar New Year with our Chinese students.
新年到，我们祝大家
活力满满，
龙盘高峰，
好运连连，
万事如意，
喜气洋洋。
Welcome to the 2025 Middle School Chinese New Year Assembly. This year we're celebrating the Year of the Snake. People born in the Year of the Snake are believed to be intelligent, graceful, and resourceful. They are known for their ability to remain calm in difficult situations and are often seen as great thinkers and problem solvers.
Chinese New Year or springtime and renewal as families reunite, share festive meals, and look forward to the prosperous new year. Today we will take you on a journey through the performances that capture the spirit of this special time.
Today, you will see the middle school Chinese classes do different Chinese performances. We hope you will enjoy the performances and take part in celebrating the rich culture and heritage of this festive season. First, we have the 6th graders performing a traditional Chinese folk dance. Please give them a warm round of applause.
为水下风光城阳春3月天，斜风摇着酒旗茶红彻人间，花高映了晚风久违的香甜，伴着孩童放纸鸳鸯，大街戏台时正微微唱风月，唱罢你情我愿到时过境迁，谁人听得曲调婉转的缠绵，感叹韶光只需潋滟，这座梦中的平别，双双望青叶，最不着的世事千劫，不见当年。柳叶软暖，覆水过船，水过船，乘着小船摇，小船摇，摇过石桥南，石桥南的正三目观看，摇摆的心情也柳叶软，柳叶软陪着金雀钗。喜鹊摘陌生花朵入我怀，惹了他手向我看。
Wasn't that an amazing display of culture and energy? The vibrant costumes, the rhythmic movements, and the joyful expressions truly brought the spirit of traditional Chinese folk dance to life.
Now we have a special treat for you, the Kung Fu Tai Chi fan performance. This performance beautifully combines the power of Kung Fu with the calm, meditative movements of Tai Chi, while using the fan as the central prop.
Let's give a warm welcome to our 6th grade performers as they present the Kung Fu Tai Chi fan dance.
我
放水土养育了我们中华古树人。
Now, we are excited to present a performance that captures the full spirit of Chinese New Year.
Let's welcome our 8th grade performers as they bring the Happy Chinese New Year dance to life. Give them a big round of applause.
You might be wondering, why does the lion eat lettuce in the lion dance? There's a special reason behind it that brings both fun and meaning to the performance.
In Chinese culture, the lion is believed to bring good luck and chase away evil spirits. During the lion dance, the lion is often seen eating lettuce, which is known as
Sheng Cai.
But here's the clever part. The word
Sheng Cai.
sounds very similar to
Sheng Cai.
which means to bring wealth and prosperity.
So by eating lettuce, the lion is symbolically eating prosperity, spreading good fortune and blessings for the new year. It's a playful and meaningful gesture, bringing hopes for a prosperous year ahead.
Next, we have a traditional and rhythm-filled performance, the bamboo dance. This captivating dance is often performed during celebrations, and it highlights both teamwork and agility.
In the bamboo dance, performers must skillfully step in and out of moving bamboo poles without getting caught, a true test of coordination and precision. The rhythmic clapping of the poles, combined with the dancers' graceful movements, creates a mesmerizing and lively atmosphere. Welcome the 7th graders to the stage.
Tonight
Up next, we have a truly spectacular performance, the Dragon Dance. The dragon is one of the most revered symbols in the Chinese culture, representing strength, power, and good fortune. It's believed that the dance will bring prosperity and drive away evil spirits for the new year.
Let's all cheer on our performers as they bring the dragon into life with their skill and enthusiasm.
Wow, that was an amazing performance by all the Chinese classes.
We thank all of the performers for their hard work and dedication to making this assembly possible, and thank you, Lila Shu, for teaching us about the culture and language.
Have a happy new year, everyone.